The FDA is seeking to simplify COVID vaccination similar to how the flu shot is administered annually, with yearly updates in order to counter whatever new strain of the virus emerges. The FDA outlined its proposals in a set of documents released ahead of Thursday's meeting of a panel of independent experts who advised the FDA by voting on its recommendations. The agency's posture appears to lean towards providing a more predictable, less complicated vaccine deployment in the hopes that it could lead to improved vaccine coverage rates. Just 16% of Americans aged 5 and older have received the latest updated bivalent booster shot, which has been available since last September and targets both the original strain of COVID-19 and the Omicron BA4 and BA5 subvariants.
We need to do something different because right now it's confusing. The messaging has been very, very mixed and confused about how important the vaccine is. The FDA and the CDC has said everybody should be getting the bivalent vaccine. Many other people say only if you're elderly. So they've been given a lot of confusing messages, and one consistent, unified message with a standard schedule, I think, would make a lot of sense.
A study published last week by the Centers for Disease Control found that the 3 most common reasons given for the slow uptake of the latest available booster shot was a lack of awareness about vaccine eligibility, vaccine availability, and perceived immunity against infection. According to briefing documents, the FDA says it would like to select the COVID strain for the vaccine in spring to ensure that the updated shots were available in September in time for the autumn vaccination campaign, similar to the administration of the annual flu shot. But a final decision is likely only to come after the independent panel meets in the days ahead. Chauvin Riceby's SABC News, New York.